Hi, I'm Dr. Sharmila Tulpule. I'm an orthopedic surgeon and regenerative medicine specialist. Today we'll talk about PRP, which everyone is aware of nowadays, but doesn't know what exactly is PRP. So PRP is platelet-rich plasma. It has been in use since last couple of decades. Mainly started in USA and then in Europe, and now it is in Middle East as well as Asian countries. Platelet-rich plasma, as the name suggests, is plasma separated from blood and the platelets which are concentrated from that plasma. Now, why platelets? Platelets are cells in our blood which were known to help in stopping the bleeding. But as time progressed, we came to know that platelets have huge number of growth factors in them. In fact, you will be very surprised to know that one platelet contains more than 1000 growth factors. Now, these factors, they are helpful in reducing the inflammation. They are helpful in inducing healing in the cells or in the tissue. They are very important in making new vessels, that is the blood flow rearrangement in injured tissue, and so effectively lead to better and faster healing. The process of PRP or making PRP is very simple, that after complete evaluation of the patient's injury as well as general medical status, when the patient is declared fit to undergo PRP, we take blood from the patient's vein. It's like your patient just walks in the clinic. As you give a blood test, it is that much blood, around 30 to 60 ml of blood is drawn, and then it is processed in special kits or in specific ways so as to separate plasma and then concentrate the platelets. The platelets are concentrated to a great degree. That is, if the baseline plasma concentration of platelets is say 3 lakhs, then it is concentrated to at least 5 to 7 times the baseline. So which means that when we inject PRP or platelet-rich plasma, there are almost a billion platelets which are injected into the affected area, and that is why the healing is accelerated and complete. So once that is done, it takes about half an hour to process this, and then once it is done, separated and taken into a syringe, it is injected in patient's body where it is injured or degenerated. This whole process of injection is a very precise treatment, and it is done under ultrasound or image guidance, so that it's not a blind injection, but it is a very specifically done injection.